In this 55-second feature video, I'm going to go over another reason why we at Leer confidently stand behind every unit that leaves our facilities: our bottom assembly of our wall panels. For our floorless models, we custom build our wall to screed assemblies. We provide a 1.5-inch thick treated piece of lumber that is to be secured to the concrete floor. To make up our bottom assembly, we use two 3-inch tall by 5/8 of an inch wide pieces of plywood, which is framed onto our wall panels by a wood member. This bottom assembly creates a 1.5-inch thick pocket at the bottom of the wall panel that is designed to sit over the treated piece of lumber that is secured to the concrete floor. In our industry, it is common to see a standard groove rail used as the bottom of the wall panel. This only leaves room for the screed wood to be the thickness of the tongue. When setting the wall panel onto the screed, it only has a thin tongue groove to be secured to and to keep the wall from being pushed out of place with just minimal impact, thus making the box easily dislodged from the screed and damaging the integrity of the walk-in. When the panel is placed onto the concrete floor and the 1.5-inch treated screed, this extra assembly will help secure a firm and stable foundation for the walk-in unit. Check out our video library on leerinc.com for more 55-second feature videos.